What's up, everyone? Today we're gonna talk about... Oops, I didn't turn on the lights. Hold on. All right, that's better. So like I was saying, guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna talk about a light. It's called the Aputure M9 light that I got. And that's the only light I have at this moment. So pretty much, yes, the point of this video is so being able to shoot with just one tiny little light. Right now it's not late, it's not early, it's like the middle of the day, like 2 o'clock. You know, there's lighting outside. Obviously I can make this video better by shooting by a window. Alright, so now we are at my kitchen window. Beautiful light, it's overwhelming. It's a lot of fucking light out there. It looks, I can feel the heat coming on the back. Because I have all the light on the back, it's awesome. You know, there's the light, but there's nothing right on my face. And this gives me the perfect balance. So, fuck it, dude. Like one little light is all I have. What else do you need? You don't need much. Now that I show you what it looks like with some window light, some natural light, plus the light, my little LED light that I have, let's go back to the living room because it's really hot in here. All right? So, hold on. So this is where I started the video. Light still, I like it. It's like a little dramatic. My shadows, my beard. Looks nice. A couple weeks ago, I did a photo shoot. This is one of the first photo shoots I done at night around my neighborhood. Came out really good. Why? Because the only light I had was this guy over here. Fuck, I didn't think it was gonna be that good at night. And it saved the photo shoot because otherwise it would be just pitch black. You know? Yeah, some editing and stuff like that, but the light made a difference. All right? Let's switch to back. I don't like this. It's too dull. All right, you guys are bored. All right, hold on. So what I did right now is I attached my little M9 light to my clamp, and the clamp's attached to the tripod. Let's go into the details of the light. All right, last time I switched my background. So like I said, what was I supposed to say? Hope you like this video. It's a little bit different, move around a lot, trying to make it different, more active, I guess, inside the apartment. But that's it, guys. I hope you guys like the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a wonderful day. Peace. I don't know if you guys seen it on my B-rolls. This is Benji. I love Benji. This is the closest thing I could get to a puppy right now. Yeah, kind of sad, man. Alright, peace out.